And quick disclaimer to everybody here: there's going to be a lot of flashing lights, so if you have epilepsy, please avert your eyes. I have a bunch of other videos without flashing lights, but yeah, just be very careful and enjoy.
We're back. We got Lily too. What's good?
You're supposed to say something.
What? Oh, did you say my name? Sorry, I was turning your volume down.
Anyways, we're playing. I think I just said this, but playing Dead Silence. We're gonna have some fun. It's been a while since I recorded. I'm sorry. Well, let's get it.
Okay, so we just play, I'm assuming? Ooh, we're inside each other. Yo.
Hey, yeah.
We appear to be in some sort of sewer.
Wow.
G
We're
0
in gray
3
water.
1.
Ew.
I think that's the concrete. I think it's clear water.
You seem to forget that gray water means like sewer water, which is fecal material, urine, vomit, period, blood.
I did not know that. Oh, it's a thing.
Missing
Missing
person, Leslie
person.
Withers. Disappeared while on patrol. Car found abandoned on the outskirts of town.
That's super useful without a picture of them. Bless you.
Arigato. We're gonna go this way. Never mind. No, we're not. We're gonna go in here.
No? Okay. Okay, let's see.
Did you say KFC? Why did I react that way to that? See, now I'm feeding into the stereotypes.
Well, it's good. You get more views that way.
Did you die? Oh, okay.
I'm not dead. We need a hammer.
I'm forced to walk in the gray water.
It's a frog!
I found the hammer.
Look at the frog! It's a frog!
I forgot you like frogs. Aw.
It's a frog. Do you not like frogs?
I do. When they're not touching me.
Lather up those frogs. Put one in my mouth.
Whoa. Okay, calm down. Slow down.
Mm-hmm. Frozen frogs. They're medicine.
Well, apparently I'm strong enough to break a vent, but not some wooden boards.
Ah! Oh, I hope this train is... Let's go this way, see if there's a secret. Oh, there's a wall. Okay.
What wall? It's just the air pushing us back because it's
really hard air.
essentially homie from Gentle Criminal from My Hero Academia.
Is that the second season? I've only seen the first season.
That's like season 4.
There's 4 seasons?
Brother, is that you? There's 6 seasons. Brian, there's a satanic ritual going on here.
Well, it might not be satanic. We don't know.
These flies sure are.
Like, this pentagram's right up. Well, mostly right up. Which means this is a good symbol.
It's like...
Only upside down pentagrams.
It's like an angle from being both right side up and upside down. It's like perfectly in between.
We don't know these are human bones. They could be ape bones.
See, that felt mildly racist.
You're the one making it racist. Huh? A teleporting me.
Hello?
Hello?
Brian, can you hear me?
Hello, hello?
Some of them beans. I feel like I'm about to get hit by a train. Seems like the signal's down bad. Oh, bad down here.
Down bad. Where'd we go?
Oh! I was right!
Are we dead? Spooky, spooky, spooky. Let's go upstairs. Oh, can't go upstairs. Okay. Let's go down the hall. Door doesn't want to open.
What twisted version of the afterlife is this?
Oh,
Oh. Well, alright then. I'm sorry.
hello.
You wake up from a nightmare.
You wake up from a nightmare. Oh, it was all a dream.
Are you sure this isn't the nightmare? What the heck is this? Bro is poor. Bro don't even have bread or water. My name
I
is
don't have
Leslie
bread.
Withers. I've lost track of the days I've been here. My mind tends to wander far and deep as the ocean as I sink in water deeper and deeper until it gets nothing but darkness. Don't look. Don't look. Don't look back. The door's open.
I think we look back.
Let me put my leg down.
Self or door won't open.
Some of them beans. Yeah, we're going back to the room because I'm not doing that.
But there's nothing in the room. The level design says we go this way because it's a hall. Oh, death. There's death behind this door.
We're going to the control room. Open sesame. Ugh, I hate the noise of flies, bro.
You hate the noise of flies?
Yeah, I hate the sound they make. Mother!
Spooky.
I'm glad that was slightly out of frame for me because that was terrifying.
I didn't see anything. I just saw my light flicker. Flicker-der-dicker-der. Oh. We need a key. What's this? I found a key.
Bing bong, bing bong. Alright, bing bong, bing bong.
Key time.
I'm
Key
a little.
time.
I'm just kind of sort of.
Oh, I don't have the key. Go.
You have the key. You have to pull it out.
I do? Oh, I do. How do I?
Oh, I thought this was just a square room. I was like, hello? Square biz?
Ooh, levers.
I'm touching the one that says homo. Why don't you just open all of them like a normal person?
Yeah, you know.
And the light switch, by the way, because why do we need a flashlight in an establishment that should have light?
Because the power is out.
Obviously not! These flashlights, the reflection is making my eyes burn.
Yeah.
My eyes!
Let's see, let's go. Oh, look. There's death in this room.
Oh. This is my bedroom before I cleaned it.
You have a lot of books.
Normal run-of-the-mill blood sacrifice ritual.
Oh, there's a door.
They murdered the bookies. That was racist. Ah! That was the back of your head. Okay.
Does it really look that bad? Oh,
well,
hello.
no, I just like kind of like. Ah!
What was that? Ooh, that
I'm not enjoying this.
was unpleasant.
Oh, there's a ladder.
Door's locked. I want to chase the blank mannequin person.
Why are these vents so big?
So we can fit in them.
I mean, I guess.
Mm-hmm.
I almost fell off. That's assuming we're even allowed to fall off.
I have no clue.
You know what I'm not gonna do? Test it.
You should.
I'm not. No.
Gotta do it for the views. Oh no, it's a person. Oh, they're gone.
Should I put like? I'm gonna put an epilepsy warning.
There was an epilepsy warning at the beginning of the game, so yeah. Well, it said flashing lights, but I don't think any of this is bad behind you. Are you?
I don't like when people are behind me. Up the stairs right now. Go, run.
Go. There's a door. Why is it open this way?
Oh, man! Ah!
Probably shouldn't go that way. Oh. That's not fair. Teleport.
Of course it is. Who? Who what? Doctor? Who asked? Who's the Muffin Man? The Muffin Man.
I'm the Muffin Man. The Muffin Man. You know the Muffin Man. Oh!
That's kind of
Hello.
sus. Basement. Yeah, the best place to go in a horror situation.
You gotta base that meant.
Or am I just going crazy? You need a door won't budge. Wait, hold on. Need a key. Okay, the basement went open. Shut up! You're not that fly! Haha. Get it? Because I'm funny.
What?
I said you're not that fly to the buzzy bus.
Who? You.
Is he gone?
I'm gonna go touch him.
I also am going to touch him.
Oh, he's gone. Oh, no, he's not.
He's just standing there.
Menacingly.
Are you gonna assault me? I don't like being assaulted.
Oh, he has a hammer in his hand. Like, take it there.
Ooh. I think we've been here too long.
Why? Why?
I don't know. He's just kind of like staring, and I'm uncomfortable, and I don't want to.
Oh, he had the hammer in his hand. We were supposed to go over to him.
I guess there's not much of a threat to us anymore if he doesn't have the hammer.
Yeah. And what is he gonna do? Snap our necks?
I hope I have PTSD from that.
Ooh. Storage room.
What did I just do?
I opened the storage room.
Oh, you did that.
I think so. Oh, it's another mannequin. Oh, lots of mannequins.
I think I've upset one of the Eldritch gods.
Why do I never see the jump scares?
I didn't see anything either.
It's dark.
I don't like this. Ugh, my back. I'm getting chills.
We should get better flashlights. Ones that like stay on. Door. We need to find a key somewhere.
I feel as if I'm in danger, but I could be
You are.
mistaken. I went the wrong way. It's just kind of racist.
Where's the key?
Oh, I found the key. No, Alicia.
Okay. We have to go the way we came.
Came crazy. As I sip this virgin margarita, I question, why do you hate me? I say that
I
as
don't
anyone
hate
who
you.
picked the game. You don't hate me. I'm talking about the game. At least I think you don't hate me.
I don't think I do either.
Oh, I'm stupid. That's what's wrong. It wasn't that hard, Seth. Get it together. Can you not make that noise in my ear?
Ceiling's too shallow. Oh, hello.
Oh. Well, alright then.
Spooky girl.
Hold on.
Door.
Adorable.
Oh, wow.
Oh, woo. Oh, woo is just a wink.
Oh, yeah.
Awooga.
Awooga.
This is terrifying.
Oh, standing water. It's wet floor.
It's moist.
I don't know if this is an OSHA approved hallway. Like, I feel
Oh!
like there's
This reminds me of that one meme with like the one chick and there's like a bunch of.
why is that the first thing that comes to mind? Oh, there's a door. A lot of spooky boys.
They're not about to assault me, are they?
Who knows? Go.
I don't like mannequins.
Go. I like mannequins. You can put hats on them, and hats are cute. These are very nice lights. Look, they're turning on as soon as we come up to them. You think they're motion triggered? They're probably motion triggered.
I'm triggered.
Oh. Hello. You okay?
Don't look back in which direction? Okay. Yes, ma'am.
Why not?
I don't know. I'm terrified of dying though. So.
Well, we just came this way. Oh, you're locked.
Oh. Ah!
Oh. I was entertained.
All right. Thanks for watching, you peeps. Cut. All right. Sorry that video was so short. I didn't expect it to be that, like dead. But we're gonna figure it out. Me, Morgan, Lily, we're in Dallas. We're all cooking something up for you. And
I mean, it was called Dead Silence.
Yeah, it was. But it wasn't called Dead Shorty either. So I don't know, man.
It also wasn't very quiet.
Yeah, them flies were. Anyways, thank you for watching. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Do the works. Sub to my Patreon. Join my Discord server that you can see like right over here. And adios.
I'm a selfish kind of person with a soul trying to fly. I aim to break the laws of nature.